Hello. How you guys doing? Hopefully you're doing awesome today. A friend of mine said that he loves fried sweet plantain. And for some reason, every time he makes it, it burns. So I'm going to show you a simple way to make you a sweet fried plantain without burning it. First of all, you need to cut your plantain. You don't have to soak it and anything. Just peel your plantain, then cut it. Let it sit on something until you're ready for it. You have to put some oil, okay? Try to not put a heavy oil, okay? Like usually like a vegetable oil or even a corn oil, whatever, like fried oil. Then you're gonna put that plantain on a medium high, not too high, because fried plantain, sweet plantain especially, it's loaded with sugar and sugar burn really quick. So if you don't put it in a low, like a medium high, it will burn. And you have to stay in front of that plantain because it's so quick to burn. I'm going to show you how you can make this plantain very simple and beautiful without burning it, right? So I'm like, don't have a lot of space where I'm cooking, but hopefully you could see what I'm trying to show you. Make sure everything it's in the oil, okay, sitting. And now you have to flip them after few minutes, okay? Remember, sweet, it depends. More ripe the plantain is, quicker it is for it to burn, okay? So this one is like in between, so I keep turning it because I don't want one side to burn before the other. So I'm watching it. I'm watching you, plantain. You're not gonna burn. So now you could see the plantain start to looking beautiful and golden, like not burnt, right? So and then that's it. It's so simple. All you have to do is put a napkin, so it could soak these oil. And I put them in a way like next to each other, like so they could you know drop all the excessive oil. So but sometimes people add sugar to them and cinnamon. Like I don't want to do that because the plantain's already sweet as it is, but you can do that. And if you want it like crispy, you can double fry that plantain. But usually sweet plantain is not gonna get too crispy unless if you are making chips. Like it needs to be cutting like thinner than this, and then you could bake it after you fry it, okay? So anyway, hopefully you guys love this, and next time you don't have to worry about burning your plantain. But before you go, remember to share, like, and press the notification bell. When I have something new, you'll be the first to know. Love you all. Bye. See you next time. I love you all and God bless you all.